Welcome to this MATLAB tutorial. If you are been working with MATLAB plots, you might know that the hold on and hold off commands are often used to plot multiple graphs on the same figure. But here I told you there's another way also to plot multiple graphs on same figure. So in this video, we will learn how to create multiple 2D plots without using hold on and hold off and instead use alternate MATLAB functions to achieve the same results. So let's get started by plotting multiple functions in the same figure using single plot command with multiple inputs. So we are starting with the same CLC, clear all, close all. So defining x values initially, that is x is equals to 0. That is our starting point, and we are taking a step size of 0.1 and ending at 10. Now we are going to define different functions. My first function is sine of x. My second function is cos of x. My third function is x square. And my fourth function is the equation of a damped sine wave. That is negative of 0.2 static x dot static sine of x, that is damped sine wave. Next, I am going to plot multiple function in the same figure without using the hold on command. Plot multiple functions in the same figure without using hold on. So I'm using the word plot, and I'm going to plot x versus y1. That is my first, and I set the color blue. Next we have x versus y2, and I set the color red, and I set my style to dashed line, and for that case I am using a solid line, that is dash. So we have a third x versus y3, and for that I am choosing green, and that is dash dot. Okay, next we have x versus y4, and for that I'm using a color magenta, that is M, and the style is colon. Next we are going to set our line width to 2. Okay, next I'm going to add my title, legend and label. So adding label, title, legend. So we have X label, that is x-axis, Y label to y-axis, title to multiple 2D plots without using hold on command. Then we have legend, and in legend my first function is sine of x, my second function is cos of x, My third function is x head here, and my fourth function is damped sine. And finally, I am going to on my range. So let's run it. So here we passed a multiple xy pairs directly into a single plot function, and this allows us to create a multiple plots in one figure without using the command hold off. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more MATLAB tutorials. Also hit the bell icon so you never miss any updates. So have any questions or topic you want me to cover, let me know in the comment below. So thank you so much for watching. Take care.